ISunday World iripota ukuthi umama uDr Khanyisile Litchfield Shabalala usexoshiwe kwiqembu lomkhonto wesizwe party. Akarimuvwanga as member of parliament kuphela, uphucwe ngisho membership yakhe. Ngithe ngisafunda le story lesi ngase ngidibana nestatement esivela kumkhonto wesizwe party esiconfirmayo lokho. Angeke sifunde istatement sizosifunda sonke kodwa ngithe uma ngabe ngiluzwa lolu daba ngase ngikhumbula ivideo yakenziwa uMax Makhanya ngesikhathi ayikhuluma kanje.
Asikaqedi sisasebenza singomakhanya. Lo mama lo uKhanyisile Chabalala. Sicela aphume eParliament. Sicela baba uMsholozi singomakhanya siyacela baba. Siyakhothama kuwe Msholozi. SG Nomvalo siyacela bobhuti abadala sicela nikhiphe lo mfazi lo eParliament mangenzeka nimxoshe na kwi-MK mangenzeka nimxoshe na kwi-MK ngayibona ivideo ebamba imeeting noDuduzile Zoom ududuzile lentombazane ephaphayo lesebenzisa amasosha ukufeza inhloso zayo ezingcolile benonhlamulo ndlela. Sibonile ivideo ekwi-meeting lomfazi lo ekwi-meeting kanye nabo oDuduzile abazo ukuthi leyo video sinayo, they don't know, bacabanga ukuthi babe kwi-secret meeting beplota against uSG. Ivideo ke yafika kithi singomakhanya sazi kahle. Sicela ukuthi ke aphume lecharlatan leli charlatan sicela liphume eParliament mangenzeka futhi lihluleko ukulunga nalapho lingaqoqeki sicela lixoshwe nasemkhontweni icharlatan leli lomfazi ya ahambe ayobeuza kude le. Ebese kuthi ke uZungu lo wasemtubatuba angaphinda sondele eduze kaBaba. Wena Mbambo mangabe uyahluleka ukuprotect ubaba lapho, mangabe uyahluleka ukuprotecta ubaba uMsholozi, wena Mbambo oyi head of the president, uvumela wonke amasimba lawa ukuthi azonukela ubaba lapho. Wena Mbambo engabe uprotect ubaba, wena uvumela yonke imkhufefe namasimba ukuthi azonukela ubaba. Ubaba usemdala usedinga iprotection eqinile. Wena Mbambo wena othenjiwe kuleyo field kodwa uvumela oZungu ukuthi bahambe bayonukisela ubaba ngesihlama. So phaphama ke vikela ubaba lapho Mbambo, phaphama impela nje Mbambo ngoba singomakhanya siyakumemeza manje Mbambo sithi phaphama lapho eduze kaBaba, wena Mbambo oyi head of the president. Yeah, sakunika nje i-second chance ukuthi wake up ndoda. uZungu akahlehle aphinda sondele eduze kaBaba, uye lo behambisa ama-false and fake intelligence report kubaba, lokhu okuholela ekutheni uSG azasoleke aze aphucwa amandla. Imkhuba yakhe lo Zungu lo wasemtuba kade indaba yakhe ngazasondele eduze kaBaba. Uyabo abakhethwe abantu abasondele eduze kaBaba kwazi ukuthi ubani futhi usondela futhi angathi ubaba manje usengaba ne PA kuthiwa yini lento PA, umuntu okuyena o receiver wonke ama message ekumele aye kubaba. Angayi manje nombani kubaba, akube nomuntu okuyena ozo represent ubaba. Wonke umuntu ofuna ukureport izinto zireportwe kulowo muntu. Angabi lula nje ukuvela umuntu afike kubaba nje ayokhamisa umlomo onukayo laphana onamathani nambukayo ayonyanyisa ubaba ngamasimbe ezindaba laphana. Uyabo kodwa uKhanyisile Chabalala akafokofe eParliament lento ukuthi iMK irepresentwe lo mama oyisikhohlakali ohlangane ehlukana noDuduzile nonhlamulo ndlela. Angiboni kahle le nto singomakhanya siboni kahle. Akaphume eParliament lo mfazi lo, akaphume eParliament.
Ngoba bengishilo ukuthi ngibona iarticle kwiSunday World Ngithe mase sengibona istatement se-MK Party esiconfirmayo ukuthi ngempela umama Khanyisile Litchfield Shabalala, Dr. Khanyisile Litchfield Shabalala uxoshiwe kumkhonto wesizwe party. Ngase ngikhumbula le video kaMax ngoba ngesikhathi ayekhuluma ngathi uMax umuntu nje onenhlamba futhi engamthathi serious, kodwa lento yakhe manje sengiqala ukuyinaka ngoba ziningi izinto asezisho manje ezenzekayo emkhontweni. Wakhuluma ngobaba uNathi Nhleko, ngempela wamiswe waxoshwa emkhontweni, kodwa yena akaxoshwanga, wasuswa nje kuyiposition. Manje uthe lo mama kufuneka axoshwe and ngempela nakho uxoshiwe. Asazi ukuthi banabufakazi buni okanye le video akhuluma ngayo ubanikile bayibona, asazi. Awuthi-ke sifunde istatement esivela kumkhonto wesizwe party sizwe ukuthi zithini izathu zabo, kodwa engikwaziyo ukuthi kusasa kuzobe kune media briefing. Kusasa ngo-2 emini kuzobe kune media briefing, uzoyithola kuyo le channel. Sobe si-streama live, sizobe sesizwa lapho ukuthi ithini into yabo. Asifunde istatement. Statement isibhalwe ngomhla ka-27 ku-August 2026, siphuma kwi-Office of the President, Lindeni Mbambo @mkp.strokenational.org. Isihloko sithi umkhonto wesizwe party confirms the exclusion of Mr. Phumlani Khubukeli and Dr. Khanyisile Litchfield Shabalala. The Office of the President of the Umkhonto wesizwe Party, MK Party, confirms the exclusion of Mr. Phumlani Khubukeli and Dr. Khanyisile Litchfield Shabalala from the party with immediate effect. The decision follows a series of acts and conduct attributed to the two members, which, in the determination of the party leadership, have been detrimental to the good name, reputation, integrity, and interest of the organization, and have undermined the unity and organizational discipline of the party. The decision has been taken under the executive authority vested in the Office of the President in terms of Section 7, subsection 2H of the Umkhonto wesizwe Party's Constitution, which empowers the President to establish, restructure, appoint, or remove organizational structures or deployees in the interest of the party and its strategic direction. Their membership in the Umkhonto wesizwe Party is therefore terminated with immediate effect. Following the termination of their membership, the party's Secretary General has written to the Speaker of the National Assembly to formally communicate the decision and to initiate the necessary process for their subsequent removal from the National Assembly. The party reiterates its commitment to organizational unity, discipline, and integrity. All members and structures are expected to conduct themselves in accordance with the party's constitution in the interest of unity and comradeship. The Office of the President wishes Mr. Khubukeli and Dr. Litchfield Shabalala well in their future endeavors. Iletha ke le evela kumkhonto wesizwe party. Khumbula ukuthi mangifundi article Sunday World ithe uspokesperson womkhonto wesizwe party kanye no Secretary General okusibonelo Nomvalo bebengaka comment mayelana nalolu daba, kodwa esesikuthola manje ukuthi ngempela lokhu kuyiqiniso. Ngicanga ukuthi iqembu lomkhonto wesizwe party bavele ba decide ukuthi kunokuthi baphendule iSunday World ngcono bakhipha istatement esoclarifyela wonke umuntu ukuthi lama members ngempela axoshiwe, abasewona amalungu omkhonto wesizwe party, abakhishwanga nje eParliament kuphela kodwa baxoshiwe. Abazichazanga ke izathu, kodwa ke kungenzeka ukuthi lezi zayishow makhanya ziyiqiniso ukuthi babonakala bebamba ama meeting ayimfihlo noDuduzile. Asazi ukuthi iqiniso, abantu abaziqiniso yilabo bazobe bene media briefing kusasa, abaso mhlawumbe abazosipha imininingwane. Ngicela ukuzukuphala kwakho la comment section ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani, kodwa ngale kwalokho mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.